Hey everybody, I'm here today to do a review of these Arrow Eyelet Pliers. Now these are great eyelet pliers and they actually come with 100 eyelets. So inside of the package you get the Arrow Eyelet Pliers right here and you get 100 eyelets. They come in a variety of colors. You can see that there is like a gold color, a silver color, and almost like a brass/bronze color, okay? This is the package that it came in. I'll show you what the package looks like. It says Arrow, how it all comes together. And you know with Arrow products, you're getting great brand reputability. They're eyelet pliers. Obviously, there is the same thing in other languages. And it tells you you use them for setting small eyelets in plastic rubber, in leather, plastic rubber, canvas, and cardboard, and many different materials. And it comes with 100 5/32 of an inch eyelets. Okay, they're 4mm eyelets when you convert that to metric. So really simple and straightforward. They're really easy to use. I actually needed to put a few eyelets in a piece of fabric. And I was looking at the different prices of the different tools because I'd never used eyelets before. I didn't even know that they existed. I thought that the things in fabric were just, I didn't know what they were called. I thought that they were just something that, someone pressed onto the fabric, but I didn't know that they were eyelets. And I learned about eyelets. I learned about grommets. I learned about rivets. I learned about all sorts of stuff. And essentially, I came across this set, which had the exact size of eyelet that I needed. And it came with the pliers too. And it was a great deal. The price was really affordable, really inexpensive, totally worth it. They're really easy to use. I'm not a pro. I've only done it a few times when I was doing that little mini project of mine. But essentially, let me just get one out. Let me just make sure this one hasn't been used because I used a couple of them to practice and I put them back in there. So the pliers just open up, as you can see, like that. Okay, you put your eyelet in place. So we're going to put our eyelet right over here. You would obviously insert it in the fabric. And then you clamp it down. So you make sure it's lined up nicely. And all you gotta do is give it a nice clamp. You clamp it down, as you can see. You release it, and it'll be good to go. It's actually in there right now, but I guess I'll pull it out. But if it was in the fabric, it would obviously be in the fabric. So it's in there right now. I've done it many times. It actually hasn't ever gotten lodged in there. It's always popped out easily. But what I'll do after the video is I'll just get something small and I'll just pop it out. But you can see that we have indeed compressed the eyelet nicely. And that's it. It's actually really good to go. I don't know if I did it the wrong way. Like I said, I'm not a pro. I might have put it in the wrong way. I might not have. I can't remember. Maybe that's why I did that. But anyways, I'll get it unlodged after. But overall, the pliers are awesome. They're really easy to use. Like I said, it didn't do this before, so I'm guessing I probably put it in the wrong way. I guess I should have probably put it in this way. It would have made more sense, actually, now that I think about it. Whoa, there did that go? There it is. If I can't even pick it up. If I put it in this way, it would have likely made more sense because it would have crimped down that spot right there. Anyways, I'll get it out, but overall they're easy to use. They're awesome, inexpensive, and it's worth it. Like if you use this once a year, once every 5 years, and you just leave it in your tool shed, it's worth it to have one of these because they fix a problem. They're really easy to use and it's inexpensive. So I mean, it's worth it just to get it, use it whenever you need it. Eventually you'll go through all the eyelets, and then you can buy another pack. And that's basically it. If you like this video, it's like I said, it's just it's one of those tools that, if you are in the industry, you probably will need this all the time. But even if you're like myself and you're just a do-it-yourselfer and you do little projects here and there, you might need it once a year, once every few years, and it's worth it just to have it available because it makes your projects and your life so much easier when you need it. And that is literally it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.